వెల్కమ్ టు నవయువ రైతులం. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో నిన్న చేసిన డ్రైవర్ ఆప్షనల్గా ఉండేటువంటి ఒక ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ట్రాక్టర్ గురించి కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈ వీడియోలో ఉంటుంది. ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది, దీన్ని ఎలా కంట్రోల్ చేయొచ్చు, దీని ద్వారా ఎంత సేవింగ్స్ అన్నది టోటల్ వీడియో ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఉంటుంది. చూడండి, ఆల్మోస్ట్ అందరికీ అర్థమవుతుంది.
Because it's electric, because it has automation capabilities, because of the incredible amount of data it can pull, and because it fundamentally changes farmers' economics, allowing them to be more profitable.
The Monarch tractor and our technology is ready for farmers around the world to start using our tractor and help you make more money and take control of your farm. All of this at a global scale means that you can really trust the Monarch tractor to do your mission critical applications today.
Monarch tractor being electric, being smart, having driver optional capabilities is that bridge that we can now cross and leave behind the conventional world and move forward in the beyond organic world, which is a really, really exciting time for agriculture.
We have been working with farmers in their fields since day one of Monarch tractor. And a question that we have gotten from day one is, why should I replace my trustworthy tractor that I've had for 10, 20 years with a Monarch tractor? And our answer is simple and straightforward. Our tractor does everything your existing tractor does, and it provides double the torque, provides even more capabilities with respect to driver functions to get better operations done on your field. It allows you to start saving dollars and cents every hour you use our tractor. If you're a tractor driver, works like a tractor, you can use it like a tractor. You don't need to be out there every day. We're going to elevate your job from a tractor driver to a fleet manager, to somebody who's overseeing a fleet of tractors. Your existing implement that you've been using for 20 plus years now is smarter and more sustainable just by attaching it to our tractor.
It's the combination of a conventional tractor, the utility of an ATV to pull tools and other needed supplies out into the field. It has the utility of a genset. It gives you all of the kind of operator assistance that you might find in a 500 horsepower tractor.
Our technology is revolutionary, and what we're gonna give to farmers and give to communities around the world is gonna change how we feed people.
Ultimately, we are automating farm operations. We're not automating tractor driving, and so that means complete control over the tractor and complete control over the implement, which we have. And so if I remove the driver, now that means that the tractor as a piece of equipment can be operating much closer to 24/7 versus being limited to an 8-hour shift and then having overtime kick in if I want to get to 10 or 12 hours.
What's great about being fully electric is that it allows us the opportunity to be so much more. We're able to be driver optional because we're electric. We're able to collect data because we're electric. By being electric, we can stop in the field and not have to worry about idling.
Pure electrification will reduce tractors' cost by $45 a day. $45 a day multiplied by 100 days per year that they actually use the tractor is $4,500. In the US, the approximate tractor population is about 4.5 million. You multiply 4.5 million tractors by $4,500, you come out with just about $20 billion of potential savings. Now, net farm income in the US in 2019 was $100 billion. Can you find me one farmer who doesn't want to increase their profitability by 20%? You will not. From a profitability standpoint, it's a slam dunk.
We've effectively crammed the power and the capabilities of a tractor 1 or 2 sizes bigger than what we have into this compact platform. And we've also done it in a no compromises approach, where we can put the full power of the system to drive, we can put the full power to the PTO, or we can put the full power to the hydraulic system. And we can distribute that power however we want with electronic control.
Electric tractors are 42 times more efficient from an emissions perspective than conventional tractors.
It means that we're able to get rid of the hazmat suits from our farms, that we're able to take care of our farming teams, to get rid of breathers, to remove the farm teams from the chemical sprays that are being sprayed.
With respect to quality, we're building a tractor for the future, so it needs to last into the future. That means that we're building this thing for 20 years of continuous operation, and it needs to be bulletproof. Our strategy is to incorporate all of the best components out there into the best product. So the whole is greater than the sum of its parts, but the parts are damn good.
The Monarch tractor was really a ground-up design for the electric powertrain and the autonomous development. The roof is where our autonomy hardware actually lives, and this is really where the brain of our tractor comes into play.
We can provide more insights and provide more data for you by being able to have the tractor collect so much more from its sensor suite.
The Monarch tractor has all of the features you'd expect from a conventional tractor. It has a PTO, it has a 3-point linkage, it has the ability to connect a front loader. All of those items you'd expect from a conventional tractor are present. But beyond that, we've designed the Monarch tractor to be a tractor that can interact with people while operating in an automated mode.
For a farmer, what you really need is visibility. And the best way of getting visibility is through data. And once you've got that data, you can turn that data into intelligence. From intelligence, you can basically create insights. Insights give actions, actions make change, and change will lead to greater productivity. So, data is kind of like essential to a farmer. And with our tractor, we probably give them one of the easiest ways of collecting data on the farm.
Because we have more data and more insights, we can make existing implements much more efficient. And then it will enable a new generation of smart implements. And these new implements will start to automate things that right now people look at and don't think are amenable to automation. The Monarch tractor is safer than any conventional compact utility tractor, and honestly safer than many larger scale tractors as well, because we're using the onboard intelligence and the onboard sensors to know when a user is approaching a dangerous operating condition.
We've designed and built our tractor taking the best practices from aerospace, from commercial vehicles, from automotive, from industrial automation. We've taken all of those learnings and the exposure to all of those industries and put the best into our tractor. The onboard diagnostics allow you to be able to diagnose what is wrong with the tractor, and then using the onboard service manual, you can fix any problem on the tractor because farmers, quite frankly, are handy.
The Monarch tractor team consists of farmers, engineers, scientists, and builders. And that's what is needed to kind of solve this immense challenge that all of us have in a way that farmers can actually use the technology that we are deploying.
This company needs to be built in America because the electrification revolution started here, the automation revolution started here, and because this country was built on farming. And so this is the place where this is going to happen.
This is something that is bigger than just your farm too. This is about how can we reduce emissions from farming globally. This is about sustainability at a planet level.
This isn't feel-good sustainability for sustainability's sake. These are using sustainable technologies to make farmers more profitable. So if you want to fundamentally improve your economics, go electric.
Farmers see it, customers are demanding it, and this is the opportunity for you to join the Monarch movement to make a change and have a better food system all around the world.
The future of farming will be bright. The future of farming will be beyond organic, and it's an exciting time to get into agriculture. And we're really happy and we're really proud of what we've been able to produce here at Monarch Tractor, and we cannot wait to share this product with you.